Discover a creative step-by-step guide to crafting a bold statement piece of jewelry. Follow clear instructions to measure, design, assemble, and finish a unique accessory using beads, chains, and toggles. Let's get started. Gather your tools. You need 8mm death pearl beads and 4mm different shape beads. For this project, select multi-row antique brass connector links as your base. Incorporate a bold, large link chain into your design, providing a contemporary edge to your bracelet. Select an eye pin approximately 20mm long to form a loop perfectly sized for 8mm beads. Alternatively, simply use durable bead wire to form a beaded loop. Complete your design with an antique bronze magnet clasp. For health, be aware individuals with pacemakers should avoid using the magnet clasp due to potential interference. Select durable 10mm jump rings to securely connect loop beads. Utilize the flat nose pliers and round nose plier of ever. I personally prefer round concave pliers. Don't forget your reliable cutter plier and measurement tape. Let's get started. First, insert an eye pin into the bead. Here's a step-by-step guide to forming a simple loop on an eye pin using round concave pliers. Insert the free straight end of the eye pin into the round concave pliers. Align the wire so that the portion you want to loop rests along the inner, curved surface of the pliers. Firmly grip the eye pin with the pliers and slowly rotate your wrist. As you do this, the wire will follow the curve of the pliers jaws, creating a loop. Adjust the pressure as needed to ensure the loop is smooth and uniform. Once the loop is fully formed, carefully open the pliers to release the eye pin. Check that the loop is even and well-shaped. After looping, use the cutter to neatly trim excess wire. If you notice any irregularities, you can use the pliers to gently tweak the shape. If you lack an eye pin, substitute beading wire. Cut a length of wire a bit longer than the size of the loop you want. Hold the wire with one end gripped firmly in the pliers. Place wires end against pliers inner, concave curve for guidance. Curved surface guides you to form a smooth, rounded loop. Slowly rotate the pliers so that the wire wraps around the curve of the jaws. Slide the bead onto the free end until it reaches your desired position. Ensure the bead is positioned at the start of the free end where you want the new loop. Use your round concave pliers to firmly grip the wire just behind the bead. Wildly rotate the pliers to bend the free end into a neat, circular loop, incorporating the bead. After looping, precisely use the plier cutter to quickly snip away all excess wire, ensuring a neat and secure finish. Verify that the bead is secure and the loop is uniform, adjust as needed. Now work with small beads, gather materials, secure eye pin, and follow precise steps. Thread the small bead onto the free end of your wire or eye pin until it reaches the desired position. Firmly grip the wire with the concave pliers, positioning the bead near the tip. Align the free end of the wire along the tip of the concave pliers where you intend to form the loop. Slowly rotate or press the pliers so that the free end wraps around the tip, creating a small, neat loop that encases the bead. Use wire cutters to remove any extra wire for a clean finish. Begin by crafting dozens of 8mm loop beads. Then, create another dozen of small loop beads. Let's begin connecting the loop beads to create our bracelet. Using flat nose pliers, gently open a jump ring, twist carefully. Insert an open jump ring into 2 loop beads and close securely with pliers. Next, open another jump ring carefully with flat nose pliers. Insert it into the end of 2 loop beads, add the 3rd loop bead, and securely close the jump ring tightly. Open the 3rd jump ring, insert it into the 3 attached beads, add the 4th bead, and securely close it. Open the 4th jump ring, insert it into a loop bead's end, add another compound, and close the ring securely. Repeat this process, open jump rings, insert bead compounds, and close securely with care. Continue adding loop beads until each strand reaches the desired 6-inch length, ensuring consistency and integrity. Lay your looped tiny beads on a flat, clean surface to simplify assembly. Open a jump ring with pliers, insert into a loop bead, add a 2nd bead, then firmly close it securely. Open another jump ring, insert it into 2 loop beads, add a 3rd loop bead, then close the ring securely. Keep opening each jump ring and add a loop bead until you reach the length desired. Repeat for all strands. After finishing all strands, inspect your bracelet for gaps or loose connections. Now lay all your strands on a clean, flat surface and arrange them carefully in your preferred order. Since we're creating a bold bracelet, I'm using a bar connector with 15 rows to enhance its dramatic, layered design. Enhance the dramatic look by adding a striking large link chain as a bold accent, elevating your bracelet's overall statement. Ensure all strands are equal in length. Experiment with design order to achieve a balanced, visually engaging bracelet masterpiece. Arrange all jump rings neatly and align them consistently on each strand, ensuring easy assembly. Using pliers, open a jump ring and insert it into the first chain strand. Insert the pre-attached open jump ring from the chain into the first row of the bar connector. Secure it firmly, establishing a strong, stable link between the chain and connector. Move to the next strand. This time, select strand beads. Open a jump ring with flat nose pliers, insert it into the strand, and attach it firmly to the second row of the bar connector, ensuring proper alignment and secure connection. Open another jump ring with flat nose pliers, insert it into the end of the small bead strand, attach to the connector, then close the ring securely for a reliable connection. Remember, select your favorite bead size, shape, and color to express your unique style and create a stunning, personalized design. As you see, follow the pattern exactly, aligning each strand and connector precisely. Open another jump ring, carefully insert it into the chain links end and connector, then securely close the jump ring. As you see, I place a chain strand on the first and last rows of the connector to achieve balance. After finishing one bar connector, we transition to another. Open a jump ring carefully, insert it into chain links end, then attach securely to first row of bar connector. When attaching strands, be extremely careful not to cross them. Maintain proper alignment in order to ensure a flawless design. Repeat the process. Open a jump ring, insert the strand into the connector, and securely close it for uniform assembly. Ensure you remain within the designated row. This practice saves time, prevents errors, and ensures a consistent, efficient assembly process. We are almost finished. Complete the final two strands, ensuring proper alignment and secure attachment for a flawless bracelet design. Check that all your strands are securely connected to each bar connector, ensuring no loose ends and a stable design. This is the final assembly. Magnets are easy to fasten. Open a 10mm heavy gauge jump ring using pliers, insert it into the loop of one magnet clasp half, then securely close it and finish. On the other side, open the final jump ring, insert into the bar connector. Attach into the clasp loop, then carefully close it securely using pliers to ensure a firm connection and reliable closure. Effortlessly close the magnet clasp. No extra effort is required. Its design ensures secure, simple, reliable closure every time. With patience and affordable materials, you can create a stunning bracelet that exemplifies your personal style and skilled craftsmanship uniquely. For more unique designs and jewelry tutorials, please subscribe, like, and share. Your support truly inspires our creativity and growth. Thanks for watching. Until next time.